Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find draft campaigns in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply click on the start icon, then you have to simply search for the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the first website from here, and once you are here, what you need to do is simply click on the sign in button or the start now button according to your preferences. So if you have already an account, you can just simply go for the sign in, and if you don't have, then you can just simply go for the start now, and then it will simply take you to this page like this. And then what you need to do is simply go to the campaigns option from here. In the campaigns option you can just simply click on the left hand side campaigns option, then just expand the campaigns. Then here you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from here, and after that you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. Here you can see the plus icon. Then once you click on the plus icon, you will get to see these kinds of option, and from here you have to just simply click on the resume campaign draft from here. And once you are here, you have to just simply choose the campaign that you would like to choose. So let's say I would like to go for this one, for the first one or the second one, and then that's it. It's if you have just simply completed this step, and we have just simply completed solved the problem of how to find draft campaigns in Google Ads. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.